The matter we are discussing is a matter where national assets and security assets have been transferred to a foreign company in violation of all the issues the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi has raised. I am sure the people of Mombasa will be shocked. They were complaining about the port being transferred, the operations of the port of Mombasa being transferred. Now we are telling the people of Mombasa, your port is gone. The title deed is with the Chinese. The operation and the management and the development is now with DP World. Dubai. And we will even write to DP World through the embassy here. We will not leave this matter because as leaders we are the custodian under the Constitution to protect, preserve national strategic interests.